Are you going forward? Is it stuck? You're going backwards. Can you get it? Push forward. Can you get it? Forward. You're pushing backwards. There. Come on. Keep going. Go fast. Ah! Are you riding your bike? Come on. Can't catch me. Are you stuck? Keep going forward. There we go. Forward, forward. Here we go. Can't catch me. Uh-uh. Can't catch me. Hey, what you doing?
On my bike.
Are you?
What's the minute?
You in the house?
Why?
I don't know.
Is she gonna come back out here?
I don't know. Look,
I don't know. Why she went in the house?
I don't know what.
Joy's in there. She rode my bike like that.
You can ride your bike like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna catch you. Watch where you're going. You have to look in front of you. Watch where you're going. Look in front of you. See, you're out in the snow. Don't look at me. You look at where you're going.